Mario once again. Today is Friday, October 3rd, 2025, and in continuation with this videos on this particular project, this is a revamp of my two-legged helicopter that I did more than 15 years ago. Some people may remember the two-legged one. If you were following some of the comments that I used to post on some of the radio control forums, you probably see photos of this back from those days. But what I've done here is I've done a revamp, as I said, of my original two-legged helicopter in 3D printed form. So I had to basically re-engineer not re-engineer, but I had to reverse engineer my original helicopter to arrive at what you're seeing here. There are some slight improvements on this 3D printed version with respect to the geometries, and so that's what you're viewing here. This Swashplates and ball links, I just finished this recently, and it's been taking me the longest because those are such tiny parts, and they have to be they have the tolerance has to be just right in order for these things to be fluid, to operate smooth and not get stuck. There's a certain way that I do these ball links here, and that's just my way that I've been doing, since I started making these helicopters in the palm size version. The housefly, to be specific, the MIA housefly, which I did back in, also at the same time I did the Bumblebee right after the MIA Robin 280, which was with a micro. Then I went to sub-micro, and then I went to a palm size helicopter, in that order. So this has taken, like I said, the longest because of the tolerance. It has to be just right, and it takes trial and error, test fit until you just get those ball links just right. And so that's what you're viewing here. Came out really nice. Just wanted to capture this on this video here. I am using the brushless motor. That's a Fei motor that also came out back in those years. And so that was originally on the original two-legged helicopter. So I pulled that from that helicopter and I installed it here. And I'm going to do the same at the tail here. And you can see my tail, how nice that came out. That fin, that's a second iteration of that fin. It had a face, but it removed the face, so it's just